How many of you, by show of hands, your business is not where you wanted it to be by December 2016 right now? January, you thought you'd be further along than you are today. Here's the question. From today backwards, how consistent have you been really building your business? Like doing income-producing activity, talking to at least 2 prospects a day, every single day, just 2 a day, every day. From today backwards, how many days have you been consistently building your business? 2 a day. Raise your hand if you've done at least 5 for the last 5 days. That's a problem already. Nobody's raising their hand on that one. Here's what it's like. You guys like eating popcorn? Yes or no? Popcorn? Anybody? This is what you're doing with your business. Popcorn doesn't work. You can do that literally for the next 3 years. You will never eat popcorn. You guys have been herky-jerky on, off in your business. You can't build the business for 3 weeks hard and then go take a couple weeks off and come back and work for a month, then go take a couple weeks off, come back for a month. That's why it's a momentum-based business. So if you want to eat this popcorn, it's going to be like this for years. This popcorn needs 2 minutes of consistent heat. Your business needs literal consistency. Consistency is the #1 thing that your business needs. Many of you guys have been depriving your business of it, and hopefully you all will put in your notes with a circle around it from my talk today, I am going to get my business much more consistent every single day, and I want to ask you guys, are you ready to go build your empire? Are you ready to go build your empire? See you over the top. Thank you.